So welcome guys, thanks for being here. Another year, starting the week, starting the week with our favorite pair, gold. Of course, I tried to do something in Tokyo session, but well, it wasn't a successful trade. I opened a loan and then for some pips, we touched the stop loss and then basically um, it did the reaction what I'm waiting for. Well, it didn't count. Starting we finished the last trade in Tokyo session was successful for the last trade of the week of the year, the last year. Um, the first week, the first trade was an stop. Okay, so I will try to recover this. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. If the price break this zone, probably we will try. We can try it on a position near to 4435 or something like this. Breaking the SO zone. So let's see what happens. Okay. However, happy new year for everyone. A pleasure. Another year. See. Okay. Next February, it's going to be our second anniversary for the channel. 1 year and 11 months with this channel at this moment. If you listen to me, the English is not clear. It's because many days do not use English, guys. So sometimes it affects. Okay. So yes, 1 year and 11 months with this channel. Sale plan, yes. At this moment, I prefer to open the loan. Let's see what happens. And well, first I'm going to eat, and then I'll be back. Okay, with this candle, we are not going to do nothing. So let's see what happened. Let's see if it can continue or not. So let's see. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back in 10 minutes. So well, the price is still there, near to 44.50. So the only option what we have here for open the sell position, if the price go back to 44.40. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. It's pure patience, guys. Pure patience. That's all. That's pure patience. However, well, I'm reading some messages. Happy New Year. Happy New Year for everyone here. Hopefully, my best wishes for all the people here, for sure. I was checking the news, and we got some news here. Here in area, that candle negative for USD. And probably for that reason, we got that reaction with gold. So let's wait. Let's expect something good. Let's expect a good reaction for clarifying what is our best pain point for doing entry. So well, for the prop firms, guys, remember I'm using my prop firm. So if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see the best offers and the best discount for this new year. Again, um, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go there, check the options there. Of course, read the information, read what is the best option for you according to your contract, according to your experience, according to your money. So it's pretty easy. Just click into the link and check the information. The link is into the description, and I will share the link um into the chat. I'm user You see fires. Perm, that's great. That's great, my friend. That's great. The fires. That's great. If you click there, you will see it's listed there with no issues. Continue paying with no problems. So just go there. Just go there into the link. The sell zone it's into the 1 hour candle. That's the main reason. So well, ending near to the 0.5. Let's see. Not that clear. As you can see, the reaction here was not that good. We need something to pass the 0.5 and then create that zone. Okay. So waiting. Me pregunta por ahí, como que pasa en el Discord. El Discord es básicamente esto, es aquí explico. Por ejemplo, ayer eh, mi zona de entrada era cerca del quiebre, este, de 44, bueno, de 4400, se hizo la entrada y al final no fue efectiva. Algunos, bueno, usaron la información de la forma correcta y tuvieron una buena entrada. Pero eso es básicamente lo que que muestro, digamos, por ejemplo, aquí. Esta fue la entrada de anoche. Y la entrada de anoche, desafortunadamente, nos tocó el stop en este punto y ya luego se fue. Luego retestió el punto de 4407 y hizo un buen punto. Luego de ahí, zonas igual, zonas, explico básicamente qué es lo que va pasando. Un poco los números de confirmación, 4440. Y de ahí, pues bueno, está el Learning Forex, aquí hay bastantes videos informativos sobre lo que podemos ir viendo, ¿verdad? El pre-recorded, la estrategia con el IA de ChatGPT, los videos sobre la estrategia y demás. Básicamente eso es lo que tenemos por ahí en Discord. Tenemos obviamente los pares diferentes, general questions, así, soporte, preguntas en general, eh, preguntas en general, en español, en inglés. Ahí estamos. Pero eso sería, para los que me preguntaron ahí por el Discord. So, well, beautiful. Probably we will see a confirmation in the next minutes. But it depends. It depends for the next candles. For this candle, waiting the next 10 minutes. Waiting the next 10 minutes for clarify the entry. Waiting. 'Let's expect the price kind of still there in near to the 44, 44.40. And now I just go down. Let's try to 44.30, for example, or something like this. Like expect, we got a good reaction there. 6 minutes. 3 minutes. Ah, yes, December, January. By my side is December 36. December 36. Sorry. Okay. January. Still waiting. Yes, it's corrected now. We're into the new year. New year. Losing all the pressure for the sellers. So our confirmation. That's all for our confirmation. It disappear in 3 minutes. Lose all the volume. So for that reason, for the ones who open the sell position and everything, it's better to wait, guys. It's better to wait. Something clear. Okay, guys, if you want to open a cell, open the cell. That's okay. That's okay by my side. It's your decision. It's your decision. Even if you think I'm grown today, so continue with yourself. That's okay. That's your money, not mine. Jesus, fighting for one letter. That's all. January is correct for the piece of the chat. Stay calm. The word is corrected. Waiting 10 minutes. What I want here? I want to the price ends near to the 0.5 for open the short. Okay. What I'm expecting here? I'm expecting the 0.5 burn some orders, and then it goes back, and it permits to give us and take a position here to the 44.40. Okay, that's my expectation. That's my expectation at this point. I don't know why the people is mess for this spelling, or why it's a mess for the month. It doesn't matter what is the month or what is the correct letter. We are here for opening position, not for learn about ones, or not for learn about letters. So just stay there, relax. Let's wait together that confirmation. I know it's difficult. Mm. 7 minutes for confirm the trade again. Let's see if the price it's not going to lose the pressure because that's important to the price continue like this and it give us that confirmation for open the trade around 4445. Okay. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Okay. So so well guys, and remember if you want more options for the prop firms, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see what is the best options, what is the best discounts into the market, and of course, what is the most trustable prop firm into the market. Because nowadays we got many prop firms. So if the prop firm is not listed into the propermatch.com, I would not recommend that that account or well that companies if we can call them companies. So please be clear of that. It's very easy. Just click into the link and you will see the most trustable prop firms into the market. They are still with the promotions for the new year. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat. Solitaire, what is your plan? My plan for now it's to break this the 0.5. We need to break that the 0.5 or at least ends near to the 4443. That would be great here into the 4442, 4443. That's okay by my side. Um and yes, it's the that's my plan. Almost 6 years. Almost 6 years. And I think the last year was the most difficult one. Market conditions change um, very, very hard. The market conditions was totally different what something what I saw in the past. So so yes, the 2025 was really really difficult. Well, let's see in 2026, starting with heavy news with our favorite president Donald Trump. So yes, Donald Trump retired many people last last year, but well, it's part of it. I like Donald Trump. I like the ways. I like his speech and everything. But what I don't like the reactions of the market when Donald Trump do something. So so yes, when I started trading, Biden was the president. Nothing happened. Nothing happened with Biden. That was great. That was great. But well, um, that is the conditions. We need to adapt the our styles to try to survive, and that's all. That's all. So well, guys, as you can see, the price is losing again. It's losing again the is losing again pressure. We got another break there. It depends if this break the 4442. It's difficult, it's difficult when we got this type of conditions. PMI was for today. So well, I think I'm going to start with the Nasdaq trade. But let's see. So you can see the price was unable to pass the 0.5, ending with at the end it break the sun. Okay, that's all for this point. 65 is there. We will wait the retracement and then open alone. That's a possibility, or just if the price continue with these conditions, we can see this 4463 at least. Okay. So well, unfortunately, no reaction into the sun. Devin, so you want to open the sell? Well, I think you was in a sell position, right? You was in a sell position. If you start selling since calling the sell since 4440 or something like this. I read the your comment. Um, Probably you are holding that trade in negative for more than 50 pips. So just go out of my channel. Go out of my channel. You are not a trader. Just you are a no no one care about you here. No one care about what you saying here. So just get out of my channel. For the others, waiting. Okay, perfect. I want to open my sell in 44.40. That's the thing, like I want to open the sell in 44.40. If I open the trade there in the last minutes, of course, my stop loss um, was taking. Just relax, see what happened. Okay, still waiting the Nasdaq trade. Now David is in a buy position. Jesus Christ, that people. So, Solitaire put the Sorcel. He's watching the news. What news, my friend? Tell us about the news. Venezuela, I think. Venezuela, yes, a lot of force for our friends in Venezuela. Difficult situation. Difficult situation. Many people in from Venezuela live here in Costa Rica, but many people. Unfortunately, most of them live in a not in a good conditions. Not in a good conditions. Asking for money into the streets and that type of things happens. So yes. Perfect. So the price is going back. Mm. I'm new to trading. Sorry. Okay, I see. Yeah, but nothing happened, with this situation, and that much. Now it's just pure patience, guys. If we don't have the confirmation here, remember our main point of entry was in 42.26 here. Okay, so relax, stay there, and let's see what happened here. Okay, in the next 6 minutes, if the price give us another reaction, probably we will continue here. So that's great. 'Some perform account is a new straight. Yes, it's better to. If you're new, try to clarify what is the best option for you into the prop firms. That's important. That's really, really important. Okay. 'Waiting, guys. Waiting. Mm. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's see what happened in the next 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, 4 minutes. Looks great. Hmm. It's giving us a hard reaction at this point. Hmm. It's what, like one candle for one candle for around 40 pips. This is the last candle. So, well, let's see if we can see a retest. That's the expectation we got already. New confirmation there. So let's see. Be patience, relax. I know many people wants to open the sell, so that was the reaction for yourselves, guys. Hopefully you're okay with the stop loss. My idea now it's open a short position. Okay. ETA T7. So you open a sell position. You recommend to open a sell position and don't close the sell position. The thing is, ignore that type of people, guys. That type of people like ETA T7, like David, like, well, that's the two. That's the two stars. Well, we have into the chat now. Just ignore that type of people, guys. Ignore them. For Arhamza, thanks, my friend. I appreciate your support. I really appreciate. You can appreciate this time what I share with you guys. Thanks for that, my friend. Okay, perfect. Some people open a long position into the point of entry. That was great. Okay, let's rate the retracement. That's a great one. Retracement now. Okay. Four 445. Thanks, my friend. Solitaire. I appreciate that support. Bro, news. Are we waiting 10 minutes? 10 minutes, man. News. I don't see any news at this point. Let me know if we are going to see any news. Um, because I'm not seeing any news at this moment. Not close to receive any news. So if you are seeing another things, I appreciate the advice. No news at this hour. But sometimes I don't see something. So, for example, the speech about Trump or something like this. Testing the point. Okay. So let's be ready. Let's be ready. Okay. 4442. Let's try the position there. Four 4442. I went that point. Want to see that point. 4443. Okay. Nice. See? Now the position it's taken. Okay, let's see. 448. 4436. And 15. Position it's there. Let's see the reaction. Let me work into the TPS. Good reaction. Try to take the 4452. Dip it 3. 40 piece, 46. That's it. Of course, we need more. Um, we need the price break the 0.5, of course. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. So, well, probably some people get a better point around 4441, 4440. That's it. So the price there, the last 10 minutes, we need more. We need more pressure. We need more pressure. So, well, uh, 4445. We need to break the 0.5. That's really important in the next 10 minutes. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Mirada, vine a buscarte porque yo sueno. What do you think, Lorito? Necios. Uh, this morning was horrible, so I went to 2000. Then I started scalping hard of the using the proper. That's nice, my friend. That's nice. Ignore that guy. I already blocked him. I already blocked him. So while retesting the point, let's see. It's difficult, but not impossible. Still there. We need the good candles for pass that 0.5. Then continue. Seven minutes. Seven minutes. Seeking knowledge, how I can learn by my side. If I recommend, if you want to learn by my side, just go into our Discord. It's not for free, but there you will learn. Discord plus Telegram. There is the number. Just contact me by WhatsApp. There is the prices. It's not for free. Just in case, it's not for free. Let's see. The last six candles is really important. Really, really important with the last six candles. So the price trying to go. Okay, almost there. Important. This 4 minutes. It's really important. So let's see what happened. Sellers trying to defend the 0.5, but buyers still with the pressure. So let's see. Again, I'm holding, but it depends of you guys. If you feel the pressure, if you don't like the entry, or just your experience, or just your strategy is less than 50 pips per trade, I can close it. The others who understand this is trading, even in this point, we can lose the position. Um, hold with me. Hold with me. In every trade I do my best, but sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes it's not sometimes. Every time it's difficult. So, well, that's up to you guys. Okay. Mhm. This is the last 2 minutes, so we need to stay there near to the 4,445. Let's see. Our expectations to continue there. This is the last candle. Last candle in 15 minutes. Ending with a good pressure. Let's see the last candle what it can give us. 4,445. That's great. Breaking the 0.5, so that's important. Now it's about patience. Pure patience. We got the little consolidation in 1 minute. Guys, and I don't have the free access. Remember, I don't have the free access. I see many people asking about the free access, and it didn't exist. The free access didn't exist. Okay, we need to break. It's important break the 4446. That's the main point. Let's see. So waiting. We need some pips more. Some pips more. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 gold now. TP1 gold now. TP2 it's now. Este sentimiento. Plus 53 pips. Break even. Take your partials. Plus. Let's roll to TP1, TP3, sorry. Let's roll to TP3. TP3 it's now. Beautiful trade. Let's roll for the let's roll for the tip for the full TP. Plus 96 pips. Plus. Now we're in break even and share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Dave and Fox. Where is Dave and Fox with his sales positions and everything? Where is the sailors? Where's the beautiful sellers against my trade? So well, beautiful trade, guys. That's nice. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits and in break even near to the TP1. Share your profits. $77 seeking knowledge, $35. Solitaire, 70 rupees. I think rupees. $20. Marsilio, my friend, $25. That's beautiful. $200. That's great for Taver. For Sherp, $73. That's beautiful. That's great. Let me check the others. $50 for Pradeep. Camario Thomas, $504. That's beautiful. That's nice. $329 for Subranali. Beautiful. John Manuel, $34. So well, beautiful. So for retail babe, $357. That's great. For beer lawyer, $68. That's nice. For let me see, Wisdom, $40. No name Minecraft, 200 for $240. Moha, $15. That's great and beautiful trade, guys. Congratulations for the ones who trust in my work and understand in trading we can lose or we can win some money. Congratulations for those who understand that information, guys. That's beautiful. Remember, if you want to receive the signals or receive support by Discord, signals by Telegram, just contact me by WhatsApp. Musafar, a fall, $500. Well, what happened with David Fox? David Fox. I'm looking for David Fox and for the other guy. I don't remember the name, but well, it doesn't matter. Every day, yes, Factos. I'm here every day. I'm here every day. Duarte Maquino, $435. Thanks, my friend Super Saiyan Ultra 8 Goku. Nice name, Goku. Thanks for your support, my friend. Thank you so much. Both trades were taken and you recovered and in profit. Real lawyer. Thanks, my friend, for the support, my friend. That's the idea. Martín, 100 pesitos. No está mal, 100 pesitos. 100 pesitos ya, por lo menos unos taquitos. $30. That's nice for Cesar Smart. Great work, brother. It's a pleasure. Where are you from? From Costa Rica. Almost hit my B and the position was taken, guys. Be taken. Be taken. I lost 50% of my account in the morning, so don't trade now. Sorry for that, my friend. Well, guys, TP3, that's great. That was a beautiful trade. Hard reactions, of course, it will happen. We have some possibilities to go to 4457, but well, um, that things happens. And for that reason, it's a must always um, to take partials, guys. Well, starting the year with the two trades. One is upload hit in Tokyo and one trade in TP and one TP3 in New York session, guys. That was nice. That was nice. That was beautiful. Good reactions. We understand. Um, I think the chat today um, was pretty nice. Was pretty nice. Just two people like don't understand the idea, like what we are doing today. So that's great. That's great, guys. Congratulations for the ones who opened the position. Who opened the position? Well, that was a reaction. We opened the position in the against the minor trend what we are having here. Well, it's difficult, of course. When the price touch the maximum prices for the day, we will see a reaction. For that reason, the TP3 was in 4452. Okay, so congratulations for the ones who make some money here. Martín, estoy en eso todos los días, exactamente. So that was nice. That was nice, guys. By my side, thanks always to say thanks to the chat, guys. It's a pleasure. That's my work. Let's keep together this year. Just be clear. Something I'm going to lose and I'm going to win sometimes. Okay, so be clear always of that. The trading is like this. Some people lose, some people win, and that's all. Probably tomorrow, other people will win or take a better position than me or something like this. But be sure and try to do my best in every position. So thanks for the support. I appreciate that. Thanks for follow instructions. That's important too. Um, and well, that's the that's all for today. 96 pips with no too much risk. That was beautiful. And well, if you want more entries by Telegram or just receive support or learn the strategy by Discord or Telegram, just contact me by WhatsApp, guys. Okay, so that's all by my side. The price give us a reaction in the maximum price here. Now it's going to test probably the second sell zone in 4425. Okay, so well, let's see what we have tomorrow. Remember, I will work with the Tokyo session. Tokyo session is just for the people into the Telegram. So let's see what we have. Para mí va a quedar en 44.25 y de ahí tengamos alguna reacción por acá, algo como así. Puede ser. And for that reason, we take the break even, but it depends for this 4435. Okay, just active the notifications, guys. Active the notifications for see when I'm going to be in. I'm going to be in every day. So, mm, okay. Mentally won't give win. Don't force the trade. Yes, don't force the trades, guys. Beautiful, super. 96 pips, 90%. That's beautiful. Should we continue trading? The thing is, guys, as you can see, the price will test the main zone. That was the zone what I'm waiting for in the morning. But the price give us these candles. That's all. You know. Now they will test the zones. These two candles was for the news. For that reason, we got these reactions. We take advantage of that positions here. Many orders for sellers was active into the 44, 44, 50, 55. And for the reason we are seeing that reactions. Okay, so that's nice. That's nice. By my side, guys. That's all. It's a pleasure always. Understand this is trading. We are going to win and we are going to lose sometimes. Okay. Thanks for understand. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for being today. It was an amazing chat. Many people was focused in trading. Other people was thinking in the letters, in the month, in other stuff. But many people was thinking in trading today into the chat. So congratulations. That's the idea. That's the idea to be focused. Everyone here make a team and be focused into the trading. Okay, guys. So by my side, that's all. Thanks for the support. Thanks for being amazing chats today. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the different ideas what you share into the chat. So and of course, thanks for your time, guys. Let's expect a beautiful year. To be honest, my expectations for this year is not different than the last year. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be rude. So we need to be prepared for any situation. So well, the good thing, let's continue together. For the ones who are asking the hour when I'm going to come back, I'm going to come back in Telegram for the people into the Telegram in Tokyo session. Tokyo session is in around in 9 hours. And tomorrow I'll be back here for the people for the normal session in New York. Thanks. If you're interested, just contact me by WhatsApp. The prices is there. It's not for free, but it's very accessible. So see you guys. Thanks for your support and thanks for everything.